We can barely imagine a human's life, let alone what's in their mind. But these cats are ready to try.
With the jingle of the door unlockers and the thud of his paws, the human has returned.
He seems to have had an exhaustive day on the hunt, though he returns empty-handed.
He must first store his jingly jangles and then shed his extra layer of fur.
Hey, I'm home.
Before paying respect to the alpha of the family.
Hey, buddy.
But not like that.
And give kisses to his princess, of course.
Get it together, Gwen. This is a serious film. We're trying to win an Academy Award. We now turn to the humans' grooming ritual, which they perform with the puzzling use of water.
And not their tongue.
We're going up, up, up.
It's a moment.
And for their dignity, we'll cut there. Once the humans are appropriately groomed, their evening hunt magically appears.
To quench his thirst, he pours the blood of his enemies into the forbidden water bowl.
The male then tears into their spoils, portioning it out for his mate.
So, what do you want to watch?
I was just about to ask you the same thing.
No! You always do this. We never know what we're going to watch.
The female, as always, takes the lead on choosing what they'll stare at for the next few hours.
The male ferociously bites into his meat pocket.
Wait, meat pockets? Gotta go.
The female joins in on the feast, relishing in her successful kill. Stop it, Gwen. Amateur. Finally, as their evening winds down, the female prepares her giant cup of nighttime hydration.
I've never seen this many tubes in my life.
The giant cup she drinks from makes it almost impossible to knock off the table. Almost.
She makes her bedtime biscuits and knows her priorities. As does he. Could it be, after a long day, humans and cats might be more alike than we think? We need rest and cuddles to face another day.